10 powerful ways to make him realize he's losing you. Hey everyone! Before we dive in, this advice is super powerful. So only use it if you're sure he's playing games or not giving you the clarity you deserve. It's not about creating toxic drama, but about standing up for yourself. These tips will make him worry about losing you. And by the end, he'll be fighting to keep you. Trust me, tip number 10 is a game changer. 1. Ignore his calls and texts, just for a while. It's simple but super effective. If he's used to you always responding right away, take a step back. Let him see how it feels when you're not at his beck and call. When you don't answer right away, it'll dawn on him just how distant you're becoming. And he'll wonder if he's losing you for good. 2. Stop doing everything for him. Has he gotten too comfortable? Expecting you to handle all the little things, from cooking, cleaning, and running errands. It's easy for him to take you for granted. Time to stop. Let him notice how much you actually do for him. And see how he reacts when you're no longer his personal assistant. 3. Go out without him. Don't wait for him to make plans or suggest dates. Instead, get dressed up, call your friends, and hit the town. Show him that you can have a blast without him. When he's sitting at home alone, heating up a microwave dinner, he'll realize that you're slipping away. And he'll want to change that. 4. Take up a new hobby. Is your world revolving around him? Time to shake things up. Pick a new hobby or dive into something you love. When you start doing things for yourself, he'll notice you becoming more independent. And that can spark a little jealousy. He'll want to regain your attention because you're no longer waiting on him. 5. Have friends that are just yours. It's great to have mutual friends, but sometimes it's important to keep a few friendships separate. Spend more time with your friends without him. When he sees you out having fun while he's home alone, he'll start to wonder what he's missing out on and just how much he needs you around. 6. Distance yourself a little. A little distance can go a long way. If you've been feeling taken for granted, pulling back emotionally can send a powerful message. When he feels you slipping away, he'll start to reevaluate his behavior, afraid that he's pushed you too far. 7. Stand your ground. Has he been used to getting his way all the time? It's time to show him that you're no pushover. Be firm when you need to be. This not only sets boundaries, but makes you more assertive and, believe me, irresistibly attractive. 8. Give him the cold shoulder. Sometimes, when things get too much, the best thing to do is go for the cold shoulder. Ignoring him completely can be a bold, drastic step. But it shows him you mean business. When he notices he no longer has your full attention, He'll be shaken and start to realize he's losing you. 9. Tell him you need a break. A break might come as a total shock to him. But if your relationship has been unfulfilling, it could be exactly what you need. When he realizes how close he is to losing you, he'll take a long, hard look at his behavior and start making changes to keep you. 10. Go on an adventure without him. Pack your bags and take a trip with your friends. Whether it's a mini getaway or a big adventure, leaving him behind is a huge wake-up call. When he sees you out having fun without him, he'll realize how much he misses you and start working to bring back the good times. These strategies are meant to empower you and show him what he's at risk of losing. Be careful with them, and remember, it's always important to communicate openly in any relationship. Let me know what you think and drop a comment below if you've ever tried these. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more relationship tips.
Subscribe to my channel.